Hi everyone, Graeme Kennerley here. Every day of the trading week, Nick McDonald and the team here at Trade with Precision are trading the markets live in real time. There are 5 of us on the staff here and we trade our own funds on our own account in different parts of the world. Now as we make these trades and as we go about our trading, we produce a series of videos. And in these videos what we talk about are the actual trades that we're taking, the market as we see them, and any follow-up information that might flow out of that. Now last month I made a call on dollar CAD. I was stalking a potential long, and what I want to do is cut away now to some of the actual footage from this video from where I made the actual call, and then I will roll over to the video where I show you what the actual outcome of that trade was. Hi everyone, Graeme Kennerley here. I want to talk about what's happening on the dollar CAD. The dollar CAD has been off the radar for a while now. We haven't talked about it very much. But actually when you look at the weekly, you can see what a nice uptrend it's been in since about a year ago when it formed this low with the new high, and then it's been going through a series of higher lows, higher highs all the way through here, and still in this general uptrend, convergence on the MACD. And indicators in the correct order, 10, 20, 50 and 200 now sweeping underneath, so looking like it's still set to continue to the long side. So I haven't got a particular trade set up just happening just yet. It's I haven't got anything quite that's in the lower time frames that's set up, but you can see here that the price action has pulled back through 50% at this point here. What I'll be doing over the next day or so is looking closely on the lower time frames to see if I can get an entry long on this pair if a compliant trade sets. I want to do a follow-up to the US CAD stalking video that I did last week. Here on the 4 hourly there was a flattish level had been formed, there was a compression of price action to the underside, and the entry was at the break of the previous day's high. Here on the live charts, what's happened is I reached 1-to-1 quite quickly, took half off the table, but was not in a position to move the stop up because I didn't have any place to move it to. However, in the intervening few days, what's happened is the price has come down, there's been a new swing low created, and now the price is driving on up. So today what I've done at the end of the New York session, at the close of the New York session just finished, I've moved the stop up. And here's my final screenshot of how this trade finished up. You can see that the trade progressed very well in my favor and didn't quite reach 6-to-1 target. I had a rejection candle of sorts there. I was able to move my stop up to this swing low that was newly formed towards the end of August, and then in fact I closed the trade out manually at this point here on the last day of August so that I could wrap the trade. So there you have it, a real live trade called as a heads up and then followed through in terms of how the trade was managed with a great outcome. Now if you'd like to be a subscriber to this service, what I'd invite you to do now is go to the home page of the TWP site that I've got up here, and then go to courses and products, and right here on courses and products we've got our 3 main educational phases, phase 1, 2 and 3, but overall we recommend that you subscribe to the TWP video newsletter, and by simply clicking on that icon there you'll get taken through and given all of the details of what's involved when you become a subscriber to this service. So you peer over the shoulders and watch each and every action, looking at our trading screens to see real-time trading. Even better, during the real-time market analysis we explain our trading strategies in full to you so you can learn exactly what we're doing. And down here are the prices in US dollars per month, sterling per month and Kiwi dollars per month. But what I want to highlight for you is that right here in September we've got a special offer going, so that if you do sign up in September to receive this video service, we will give you a full refund of the payment. So all you need to do is go through to the site, click on whichever currency you prefer to pay in, and subscribe to the service, and we will refund the money in full once you have made the payment. That means that you'll get the balance of September for free, all of our video calls, all of our heads up, all of our trade calls. Now what could be better or simpler than that?